Before we continue, let me introduce the team behind the Lestari App. Our project was guided by Dr. Munirah binti On, who served as our project advisor. The project was led by Muhammad Hasif bin Hashim as the project leader. The other team members are Tuan Abdul Hazim bin Tuan Hassan, Muhammad Harisilmi bin Ahmad Razwan, and Harid Mukri bin Shariruddin. Together, we work as a team by contributing our ideas, research, and efforts to develop the Lestari App with one common goal, which to make recycling simpler, more transparent, and more sustainable for everyone. So now, let's move on to the next slide.
So, what is Lestari App? Lestari App is an integrated digital marketplace that connects every stakeholder in Malaysia's recycling ecosystem. Unlike existing recycling platforms, Lestari focuses on two underserved waste streams, used cooking oil and electronic waste, which require proper collection and safe processing. Through one application, user can list recyclable materials, receive transparent quotation, schedule pickups, track their recycling journey, and receive rewards. Behind the scenes, verified collectors, processors, and buyers are digitally connected into one trusted ecosystem. Instead of separate recycling platform operating independently, Lestari brings the entire recycling value chain together into one application.
Now let's move to the problem statement. So Malaysia's recycling rate currently stands at 38%, still below the national target of 40%. After analysing the recycling ecosystem, we discovered that both used cooking oil and e-waste suffer from exactly the same broken pipeline. Okay, first, opacity. Once recyclable materials are collected, users cannot see where they go. There is little transparency throughout the recycling journey. Second, stakeholder disintegration. So, households, collector, processor, and buyers operate separately with very limited coordination. And the third, price manipulation. So, without transparent pricing, waste generators are often underpaid, while informal collectors also struggle to receive fair compensation. So, this challenge reduces trust, discourages recycling participation, and ultimately prevent Malaysia from improving its recycling performance. So, why current solution fail? So, this is because existing recycling services solve only parts of the problem. Some focus only on collection, some purchase only used cooking oil, and others specialize only in e-waste. However, no single platform in Malaysia integrates both waste streams while providing transparent pricing, verified traceability, and one connected ecosystem. So this is the innovation gap that inspired Lestari App.
Lestari introduces three innovations that work together to build trust throughout the recycling ecosystem. The first innovation is our price lock mechanism. Using live market prices, users receive legally binding quotations valid for 48 hours. A built-in price floor buffer protects both collectors and the platform from sudden market fluctuations, while eliminating unfair price manipulation. The second innovation is end-to-end QR traceability. Every recycling batch receives a QR code that tracks its complete journey, from pickup all the way to material buyers. This restores transparency and accountability throughout the supply chain. The third innovation is the verified data destruction certificate. For businesses disposing of electronic devices, Lestari provides certified proof that confidential data has been securely destroyed. This transforms e-waste disposal from a business expense into an auditable ESG compliance service.
So next is relevance in solving the problem. Lestari addresses the recycling challenge across three important dimensions. The first dimension is economically. Transparent pricing ensures fair returns for both waste generators and collectors. The second one is socially. It connects every stakeholder into one trusted digital ecosystem, improving collaboration and confidence. The last one is environmentally. It encourages responsible recycling while reducing improper waste disposal and pollution. Rather than solving one issue, Lestari tackles the root cause affecting Malaysia's recycling ecosystem.
For contribution to society, the impact of Lestari App goes beyond technology. It delivers multi-dimensional benefits for society by integrating sustainability across household, businesses, collectors, and government agencies. By improving recycling participation, Lestari supports Malaysia's circular economy blueprint for solid waste 2025 to 2035 and contributes towards Sustainable Development Goal SDG 12 on responsible consumption and production. More importantly, our vision is to help Malaysia increase its recycling rate beyond the national target while building a stronger circular economy for future generations.
Let us look at how Lestari App works for two different users. Let's begin with a household user. Here, the user selects the type of recycling waste such as used cooking oil or e-waste, enters the estimate quantity and schedule a pickup. Next, the app generates a price lock quotation, providing a transparent and guaranteed price before the transaction is confirmed. Once accepted, the system automatically matches the user with a verified collector and provides real-time GPS tracking. After collection, a QR code allows the user to track the recycling journey from pickup to final processing. Finally, payment is credited to the user's digital wallet, together with reward points and vouchers. Now, let's see how Lestari works for businesses. For businesses, the process is equally straightforward. Companies can schedule bulk collections, request quotations, and manage recurring pickups through the business portal. The system assigns the appropriate certified collector based on the waste type and collection volume. Every transaction is supported by end-to-end QR traceability. For electronic waste, businesses also receive a verified data destruction certificate and ESG compliance reports for audit and reporting purposes. Finally, business can monitor their environmental contribution through the Community Impact Dashboard. So, whether you are a household or a business, Lestari makes recycling simple, transparent and rewarding, all within one trusted application.
Now, let me explain the market potential of the Lestari app. So, Lestari serves three main customer segments. The first is business to consumer or B2C, which focuses on consumers. The second is business to business or B2B, including restaurants and office. The third is business to government or B2G, by providing verified recycling data to municipalities for planning and enforcement. So, our business model is supported by 4 revenue streams. These include transaction commissions, B2B subscription, sustainability focus in app advertising, and government data analytics reports. So with these multiple revenue streams, Lestari can grow sustainably while creating long-term value for all stakeholders. Lastly, we are proud that the Lestari app received the Best of the Best award at BICC 2026. This award recognizes the innovation, practicality, and commercial potential of our solution. It also motivates us to continue developing sustainable solutions that create a positive impact on both society and the environment. So, thank you.
To conclude, Lestari App is more than a recycling application. It is an integrated digital ecosystem that connects every stakeholder through transparency, technology, and sustainability. By making recycling easier, fair, and more rewarding, we can accelerate Malaysia's transition towards a circular economy. Lestari App also achieved the prestigious Best of the Best Innovation Awards at the Faculty of Business and Management Innovation Competition at University Technology Mara Pasigudan campus, emerging as the top innovation among over 70 competent teams. So together, let's build one app, one less impact, a greener Malaysia together. Thank you.